Do you like tiramisu? I do. We're making a tiramisu white Russian. Being winter's here, holidays coming, Santa says there's only 14 days before Christmas, we're gonna be making some winter and holiday inspired cocktails, starting with the tiramisu white Russian. So a white Russian is vodka, coffee liqueur, with some half and half, or some people use cream, some people use milk, over the top of it, floated on the top. This will be a little bit different, but a little bit the same. So instead of vodka, we'll be using some dark aged rum, and that's about it. Enough jibber jabber, let's start making a drink. If you've made your own keto coffee liqueur, wonderful, awesome. And if you've made the recipe I've made, that's on my other video, love you for that. But to make things super simple, Above Board makes a coffee liqueur with 0 net carbs. This is delicious. And I hate to say it, it's better than mine, to the point I'm trying to rework my recipe to outdo theirs. I'm not done it yet, but I'm trying. But no, Above Board's 0 net carb coffee liqueur is absolutely amazing. I'll put a link below to their website. It is not an affiliate site. I don't make any money off of this. It's just a product that I really support. It's delicious, and it makes yummy, yummy drinks like the tiramisu white Russian. So you're gonna need a keto coffee liqueur. The next thing you need is an aged rum. I don't know if I would go something like heavy Jamaican funky, with like where you're getting like overripe bananas and pineapple. That might be a little bit much. My thought process is go more Barbados style. What I get from Barbados rums is a little bit more of the baking spices that you find in like apple pies and things like that. So we're gonna go ahead, let's go ahead and use, I have Dorley's 8-year. This is from Foursquare. One of the top distilleries in Barbados is Foursquare with Richard Seal. Great product. Dorley's is their brand you can find at Total Wines. So this is a delicious rum from a high-end distillery at a great, great price point. So you're gonna need these. You're gonna need, yes, of course, RXSugar, the granulated, and some heavy cream. These are the things you're gonna need to make your tiramisu white Russian. So let's go ahead and get started. Put everything aside. The first thing you need to do is we're gonna make a whipped cream, but not like stiff or anything like that. You can use a mason jar, whatever you want. I'm using my Magcheer Shaker. Love this. It's vacuum sealed, doesn't leak. It's a wonderful tool. I might, if I remember, I don't know, I'm old to forget shit. I will try to put a link in the description below where you can grab a Magcheer Shaker from Amazon. So with this here, we're gonna use about 2 to 4, they say 4 ounces per cocktail, but I'm just gonna, 2, 3, we're gonna guess. And that's probably closer to 6, but that's okay. From here, we're gonna add a little bit of RXSugar, and we're gonna go with 2 teaspoons per ounce. That's 2, 4. And we'll do that. A little bit of kind of heap it so that we're good. From here, we're just gonna shake this until we start getting a whipped cream. Let's kind of blend that sweetener into the cream first. And let's give it a good hell of a shake. Now, when you're shaking without ice, in the bar terms, this is called dry shake. In the baking world, we're making whipped cream. Let's kind of take a look and see where we're at. Ooh, it's thickening up. We're gonna go a little bit thicker than this though. Ooh, that tastes good. All right, so I'm gonna pour a little bit in so you can see the consistency. Nice. Now, a little bit heavier, a little bit thicker will help the presentation of the cocktail. It's good now though. Whew, got my workout for the day. All right, so that's the hard part of the drink. The easy part is just to build it in that glass. Fill our glass with some ice. I'm gonna add 2 ounces of our coffee liqueur. Two ounces of our aged rum. Give that a little stir to start it. I'm gonna top that with a little bit more ice. Not much. And then we'll put a little bit of that cream right over the top. We're gonna garnish that with a little bit of cocoa powder. So I'm gonna use a fine mesh strainer and just pinch some over the top, just so it's not too excessive, because I screwed up a drink the other day doing this. I wasn't cautious about my cocoa powder. And now you have the Tiramisu White Russian. Let's give this a taste. That's so delicious. That is so fucking delicious. God dang, this is good. So guys, that's it for video number 1 of our holiday and winter themed cocktails. Cheers. Y'all have a great day, because I'm just starting my drinking and I'm gonna have a great day too. See you later. That's so good.